Ayo, it's Crypto here, and today's video is just a real quick reminder that you can make money on Binance. Sorry, that sounds like an infomercial, but I'm just trying to share with you guys that you can go to Binance and join the referral program, which is what a lot of people do. A lot of big guys on Twitter have been promoting the referral programs, but you don't even need to have a lot of followers. You don't even need to have a big following or a big user base or anything like that. You can just refer your friends and you'll get 50% of all of the commissions. So any type of fees that are charged whenever your friends make a trade, you can get 50% of that, and you can either split that with your friend or just keep it yourself. Either way. So all I'm trying to tell you guys is that you can just send this link out, throw it in your bio on Instagram if you got some followers there, if you know some people that are into Bitcoin, and if you know they're going to use Binance, just tell them to use your link. This is very simple, very similar to those things like how Uber, you can refer your friends and they get a $10 coupon or a free ride or something like that, except in this, it's those commissions and you get them for life. So that's kind of the best part. So make sure to check the link in the description so you can join through my link, which means that you'll be one of my friends basically on Binance. So that would be pretty cool. And then you can share your link. You just go to binance.com/invite after you set up an account through the link below. Go to binance.com/invite and you just go, it'll look just like this. And as you can see, you get your link, which is mine is down here. And you just click that to copy it, and you'll see it copied it. And then invite your friends, send the link out to them, email them, text them, whatever, put it in your bio, tell them to check it out, and then you just get paid in Bitcoin. I'm not going to show you my commission because it's private stuff. But basically in the bottom right, where behind my head, on the page, but where my thing is covering, it shows how much commission you earn, how many friends you have, and then if you go further below in the page, it has a list of everybody you referred and then all the individual commissions you get out of each trade they make. And so you can kind of see, I guess, what your friends are trading with. But the emails are start out. But I guess it wouldn't matter if you just have one or two friends that are trading. So make sure to check it out. I just wanted to let you guys know this is out there. This is a way that you can get some free Bitcoin, basically, just by inviting your friends and using Binance. And Binance is an up-and-coming new exchange. I did a video on it, a couple weeks back. So everybody's going to be using it soon. So make sure to refer all your friends, your crypto trading groups, your Slacks, Telegram, stuff like that. Don't spam it, but just say, hey, if you guys aren't on Binance, make sure to sign up with my link. So yeah. Awesome. Make sure to check out the Twitter, @OracleOfCrypto on Twitter. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure to go to the link below, the one that's Pixel Me. It should be the second link or something. And that will be a link to Blockchain Education, which is our crypto trading and discussion group, as well as education program. So yeah. Thank you guys again for watching. Make sure to check everything out. I hope you enjoy your week and good luck trading. Thank you.